Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Health Elegance.
Today I am going to share with you some easy tips to use carom seeds for common health issues. These tips are simple to use but more effective for common health problems. Now start the remedy 1. It helps to treat acne. Take carom seeds 1 teaspoon, half a cup of water. Soak carom seeds in half a cup of water. Leave overnight. Drink it in the morning daily. Remedy 2 works to remove flame. You will need carom seeds 1 teaspoon, fennel seeds 1 teaspoon, a glass of water. Boil carom seeds and fennel seeds with 1 glass of water. Drink hot. Use daily. Remedy 3 helps to increase appetite and improve stomach function. You will need carom seeds as required, salt as required. Take half teaspoon carom seeds and a pinch of salt. Chew it daily any time of the day. Remedy 4 helps to remove uric acid and treats joint pain. You will need carom seeds 50 gram, dry ginger 50 gram. Take carom seeds and dry ginger in equal quantity. Make a fine powder and take 1 teaspoon 2 times a day with water. Remedy 5 treats fatty liver and removes cholesterol from body. Take carom seeds 50 gram, dry ginger 50 gram, black pepper 50 gram. Take all the ingredients in equal quantity, 50 gram of each, grind and save. Take half teaspoon 2 times a day or make tea by adding a cup of water. Drink plenty of water to avoid stomach acidity. Remedy 6 gives instant relief to kidney pain. You will need carom seeds 1 teaspoon, a glass of water. Boil carom seeds in a glass of water and drink hot. It gives instant relief to kidney pain. Remedy 7 helps to lose body weight. Take carom seeds 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, lemon juice 1 teaspoon, a glass of water. Boil carom seeds in a glass of water, add lemon juice, drink it warm. Keep using for 1 week. Next week, replace cumin seeds with carom seeds and follow the same procedure. Keep using both drinks alternate weeks until you get the desired result.
Friends, if you like this video, please share it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.